Rosie and Andy present Farm Animals, Animales de Granja.
And Andy.
What are you doing, Rosie?
Well, I'm just thinking about farm animals.
Farm animals? What are farm animals?
Well, you know, like horses, cows, pigs, sheep.
I love farm animals.
Me too.
Rosie, could you teach me how to say the farm animals in Spanish?
Sure, Andy. That would be fun. Friends, would you like to learn your farm animal words in Spanish? Great! The first farm animal I want to teach you today is cow. Cow in Spanish is vaca. Vaca. Can you say vaca? Great! The next farm animal is a horse. Horse in Spanish is caballo. Caballo. Can you say caballo? Great! Pigs live on the farm too. In Spanish, pig is cerdo. Cerdo. Can you say cerdo? Great! You know what else lives on the farm? Ducks. In Spanish, duck is pato. Pato. Can you say pato? Great! And don't forget the adorable sheep. In Spanish, sheep is oveja. Oveja. Can you say oveja? Great! The animal that gives us eggs is a chicken. Chicken in Spanish is pollo. Pollo. Can you say pollo? Great! Look at the goat. A goat in Spanish is cabra. Cabra. Can you say cabra? Great! And let's not forget about the donkey. Donkey in Spanish is burro. Burro. Can you say burro? Great!
That was fun, Rosie. Thanks for teaching me my farm words in Spanish.
I loved it too. I have a fun idea. Andy, friends, why don't we do a pretend visit to the farm?
Yes, that would be so much fun.
But remember, Andy, you have to use your new Spanish words.
Okay. Rosie, I'm really excited about our imaginary farm visit.
Me too, Andy. Friends, are you excited? Great! Hey, Andy, I also have a lot of really fun facts about farm animals.
Let's go.
Andy, look over there. I see a cow. Remember, cow in Spanish is vaca.
Vaca.
Great! And guess what, Andy? Cows have an excellent sense of smell. They can smell up to 5 miles away.
Hey, Rosie, look over there. I see a pig.
Yes, Andy, it is a pig. But remember to say pig in Spanish. Say cerdo. Hey, not only are pigs really cute, but did you know that they're very smart and have wonderful memories?
Look over here, Rosie. I see a chicken.
Yes, Andy, I see the pollo. Remember, pollo is chicken in Spanish. And did you know that chickens can lay up to 300 eggs per year?
That's a lot of eggs, Rosie.
Hey, Andy, look over here. Look at the burro.
What?
The burro. Burro means donkey in Spanish. And did you know, Andy, that donkeys can live as old as 50 years old?
Wow. Rosie, look at that horse. It's so beautiful.
Yes, but remember, horse in Spanish is caballo.
Oh, yes, caballo.
Great. And did you know, Andy, that horses can sleep standing up or laying down? Look at that adorable sheep. Sheep in Spanish is oveja. And guess what, Andy? That oveja is just like us.
Why, Rosie?
Well, because an oveja makes best friends, just like us.
Look at the duck in the grass next to the water.
Andy, remember, duck in Spanish is pato.
Oh, yes, look at the pato.
Hey, Andy, did you know that ducks are omnivores? That means they eat plants and meat.
There's one more animal to see, Rosie. Look over there. Look at the goat.
Yes, goat is cabra. Remember, Andy, say cabra. That means goat in Spanish. Hey, Andy, did you know that goats are smart and they can actually learn their names? So if you call them, they'll actually come.
What a fun trip, Rosie.
Yes, Andy, it sure was fun learning about all of our farm animals in Spanish.
Yes, I loved it. Thanks for helping, friends.
We'll see you next time. And remember, always use your new Spanish words. Bye.
Bye.
For more fun learning Spanish with Rosie and Andy, why not subscribe to their YouTube channel by clicking the red arrow button in the lower right corner of your screen and be first to get all their new videos, songs, word of the day, lessons, and more. Also, visit their Facebook page at Rosie and Andy. And for more information, visit their website at www.rosieandandy.com.